My name is Ron Rana, and I am from Houston, Texas. I was in the car industry, in the automobile industry. So before this, I was actually 11 year veteran in the car business. It was going well. You know, we were, there's a saying, right? You're either time poor or you're money poor. We were time poor. You know, I didn't have the time freedom to spend and watch my kids grow, my family. So, you know, working long hours, about 12, 13, sometimes 14-hour days, it kind of caught up, you know? Yeah, so I wanted to leave that lifestyle and build true wealth for my family and my children. So what made real estate the thing for me to jump into was, I've looked at many programs in the past. You know, I've bought and invested in many programs. None of them really talked to me or spoke to me, unlike Cody Sperber and Clever Investor, right? So we purchased this program, went through their courses, did what we needed to do, and it kind of clicked from there. Cody really set it out for us, and he put everything in detail for us of what we need to do, a step-by-step guide. So it was not like your traditional guru, right? Cody is more of a guru, right? He does it. He does deals every day. So those guys haven't invested in 20 years, and then they come out and teach wholesaling. It doesn't work out the same methods that were working 20 years ago. So that's what really, you know, he made it real simple, in other words. The biggest difference was I didn't get a UPS shipping box at my doorstep. They actually called. You know, they cared about our success. Every time we would, you know, kind of fall off the, you know, you don't let you fall off the grid, in other words. They really care about their students. They really put an emphasis on your success, and no other company out there does that except for Clever Investor. Absolutely. So we do have the time freedom. My biggest why would be, of course, my wife and my children. I'm able to now spend time with them. We work from home now. I don't have to commute long hours. I used to hate sitting in traffic. I do sit in traffic right now, but I love it because I'm going and we're looking at homes now, right? So it's a whole different ballpark as far as you know, that goes. So, but I'm not sitting in traffic for someone else. You know what I mean? Like they say, hire people to build your dream, otherwise somebody will hire you to build theirs. So, but they're definitely my motivating factor. You know, because of real estate, we're able to live a comfortable lifestyle, even, you know, better than most people. We do multiple deals a month, but, you know, that's due to the help and support of Clever Investor. We went to Disney World for 18 days, spent 2 weeks there, you know, and we're absolutely excited about this, about our venture into the real estate world. A lot of people are saying I was born for real estate. Although I spent 11 years in the car business, real estate was really and I believe it, real estate was my calling. So we, you know, we have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old. We did half of that at Universal Studios. So we got to experience Hogwarts. We spent more time in Nocturne Alley than we ever did in our entire life. We're a big fan of the Harry Potter, so we did the, you know, the experience. You know, we had an opportunity to go into the lines and stuff like that. I kind of looked at it. We were able to afford the VIP packages. So, you know, the Hulk had a 4-hour wait. We just walked right in with a VIP experience. So, you know, this business has been able to afford us a certain lifestyle that no other industry would have. So we're definitely grateful for this opportunity just to learn about real estate and wholesaling. So yeah, and I'm a full-time wholesaler in Houston. This is all we do. So we are looking to expand out into office-like space. So we're going to be hiring about 3 or 4 acquisition guys, HR department, front desk, office manager. I have ran car dealerships before, so I'm fully aware of how to run business as far as a business aspect of it. So that's the next step now. We do want to become a prominent wholesale outlet in Houston, you know, for our Houston investors. Of course, we were recently just given a BBB standard. So accredited, we're now accredited by the Better Business Bureau, which is huge, especially in a city of over 4 million people. It speaks volume. So, you know, it comes down to integrity, right? The Better Business Bureau won't back anyone up unless you really truly have those core values and integrity, honesty, and a lot of that comes from Clever. You know, we feed off of them, and that's how we do our business. You know, we treat our sellers right, and we treat our buyers right. And in turn, we are very successful. I've been fortunate enough to be called one of the top wholesalers in Houston. Nice. Yeah, so we've definitely, you know, been out there doing our thing and But every day I wake up, we still put our pants one foot at a time. You know, we stay humble about it. Just like Cody. Cody's a very humble individual, you know, and that's what really attracted me to him. Was no matter how much money he made, no matter if you saw the Lamborghinis or the checks in the bank, in front of the checks in front of the bank that he's cashing, right? Everybody sees him on Facebook. So, but it's very down to earth, you know, humble guy, and that's what really attracted. And we do keep that same face with people, you know. Money comes and goes, but it's all about how you make people feel. People will not, you know, people won't remember what you say. They're gonna remember how you made them feel. Cody's training not only stands out, it's phenomenal. He walks you step by step. You know, they have a book, something for dummies. I mean, that's just what it is. He'll walk you through everything step by step by step, you know, especially with the fast track program. It will teach you everything you need to know, really. I mean, you can literally take that entire course and go out there and crush it in the industry. So Houston is you know, people like to say it's a competitive market. I think it's a mindset thing. When I walked into the wholesaling in Houston, it was competitive. It still is competitive, but we go out there every day. We grind. We do what we need to do. But Cody's definitely been a great asset to, you know, to our success here at with Clever. So I can tell you what I felt. I was skeptical. I was like, does this work? Who's this guy that drives around with a Lamborghini? Why is he flashing checks in front of the bank, right? Why is he on my social media page? I thought about this, now he's appearing on my page. You know, like it is what it is. But if you're on the fence, I would definitely suggest just take the risk. One day you don't want to look back on life and say, you wish you did. And that was my thing. I didn't want to look back and say, what if I did? Or what if I hadn't done it? And that's my biggest motivating factor. You know, a lot of people have a fear of failure. You know, what if it works? Ask yourself that. What if it works? You'll find your answer. It's all about taking the risk. No risk, no reward. And we took that risk. I was watching these testimonials. I was watching this when I was starting out too, to see if it was really legit or not. It's been, yeah, it definitely is legit. This works. Yeah, it does. But it'll only work if you work.